Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today, just to share with you the full lineup of Minix power adapter. The video is sponsored by the new Dodgy V20 Dual 5G with a 3-camera setup, a 64 megapixel main lens, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, a 20 megapixel night vision lens, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera on a 6.43 AMOLED display with a 2K resolution, taking rugged photography to the next level. I will leave a link down below. Now, Minix is a brand that we are really proud to show off their products here on the channel, and we have been doing so since 2013, 2012, I'm not really sure, with a great Android TV box back then, which was the X8H Plus. That is a very old video, a great machine. Since then, they have delivered a lot of products to the market, Android TV boxes, mini computers, and so on and so forth. I will leave some links right over here so that you guys can check it out, and I will also leave a link for the unboxing that I did on the latest Minix NGC5 and also the power adapter. It's in Portuguese, but if you want to learn a little bit about the language, just check it out, and it's really awesome. Now, what we've got here now, it's the last generation in terms of power adapters that Minix has available, and it's called the Minix P3. Now, let's take a look at the P1, which was the first, and I will leave some links down below and also some links right over here. The P1, it's really small, really elegant. It has 3 outputs and a maximum deliver of 66 watts. Now, on the first and second USB Type-C, it will deliver 65 watts, and then on the last one, it will deliver up to 36 watts. The way that it works is that a maximum capacity of deliver of 66 watts. If you have only one device plugged in on the USB Type-C, it will deliver the 66 watts total. But if you have 2 devices via USB Type-C, it will balance the power and it will charge roughly 50% on one and 50% on the other one, depending on the needs of the device. It's a smart device, it's not just a power adapter. Now, then they released the P2, which I did review here on the channel as well, and the P2 has evolved. In size, it is quite a bit bigger than the P1. It has 100 watts of power delivered, so a lot of power right over here, 2 USB Type-C and 2 USB Type-A. And in terms of power deliver, it will give a maximum of 100 watts on the 2 USB Type-C ports and 18 watts in each of the USB Type-A ports, but a maximum of 100. Once again, if you connect just one device, 100 watts maximum. If you connect 2 devices on USB Type-C and USB Type-C, then 50-50 more or less. And if you connect the 4, it will deliver the 100 maximum, but distributed to the 4 devices. And when we look at the P3, at least in my opinion, what I see is that they have done a merge right over here. So in terms of size, it's a little bit bigger than the P1, but it's quite a bit smaller than the P2. Nonetheless, it will deliver the same power as the P2, and that is 100 watts maximum. So as we can see, it will deliver on port 1 and port 2 100 watts maximum, on port 3 20 watts maximum, and then on the last one, which is USB Type-A, it will deliver a maximum of 18 watts. And I've got a laptop right over here that if you want to check out the original power adapter from this laptop right over here or any other laptop, it's really expensive and usually only has 1 port. Right over here I can pay half the price, something like that. I can deliver more power to more devices and I connect up to 4 devices. Right over here, 4 devices on the P2 and 3 devices on the P1. Links down below so that you guys can check it out and see for yourself if this is the power adapter that you need or not. Hope that you are okay on that side of the screen, and if the video was useful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.